Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pasquin espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a bit of work. We had to do a tune-up on this machine and remove the gasket of the group head, and it was really hard. As you can see, it came out in pieces. It's no longer a gasket. This thing was really stuck in there. It was time to definitely replace it. We also deep cleaned the group head shower screen. This is the shower screen of the machine, and as you can see within, we just replaced this one. It's completely clogged with coffee, just completely clogged. Barely any water was coming out through here. We also had to replace the steam and hot water valve assemblies. These were leaking, especially when you open it all the way. This was leaking a little bit of water over here, and this one was leaking steam as well. So yeah, we had to replace those. Gave the machine a nice cleanup over here on the group head. It was really bad in there. You can imagine how you can see the screen here. All this was completely covering the whole group head. So we cleaned that, all that, backflush this machine, descale it, and now it's ready. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Now you can see that the steamer is no longer, it hasn't been cleaned. We're gonna be doing that after this video. Nice steady stream coming out the portafilter, and all these coming out through the group head or anywhere around the group head. One and shot. I'm gonna stop it right there. Good shot of espresso with our test coffee. Back. Excellent flow coming out through the group head. As you can see, nice gentle stream coming out through there. Working great. Let's see coming out great of the one. Like I said, we're gonna be cleaning these after this video. We're gonna be soaking on Visa, which is a milk cleaner, and then we're gonna assemble this tip and put it back together. And now hot water, as you can see, also nice heavy stream, working good. So there you have it, Pasquin, Livia, and Ali working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit a like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.